go. Wow, my school is rainbow colored.
Yay!
Fabulous. And mine is cardboard. Amazing.
And mine is fluffy. Where should I sit? I have a totally ordinary desk. It's a fluffy desk. Everything is fine. I need a special desk.
Okay, I have an idea. I had a star on the back of my board. I'll trace it onto foam sheet and cut it out. Apply hot glue to the star, attach some fur fabric, and trim it into a star shape with seam allowances. Glue the edges down and trim the fur to shape the star. I'll use the same principle for the seat and the desk surface. I'll take some straws to make the chair frame and legs. Attach the desk to the side. It turned out great! I think Gazelle will definitely be happy with such a starry, fluffy desk. Well, Gazelle, what do you think?
Yay!
Wow, what a fancy desk. And a star-shaped chair, just right for me. Hi, Gazelle. Let's have a musical battle. A musical battle? I love the idea.
Then here are your microphones, girls.
I'm the jungle queen, reina de la selva. Baile, 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 everybody cerca. Move like this, can't resist, can't resist. When she moves like this, move like this, move like this.
Gazelle, you're incredible. Rooney, yeah, we love you. So, who's going to win? 5, 5, 5. What score did you give? Let me know in the comments. Yay!
We did great. Yeah. Want to sit with me?
That would be nice.
We gave a great performance.
Yeah, it was fantastic. Hello. Oh, sorry I'm late. Where can I sit? You can sit here, Judy. Thanks. Today we have a handmade lesson. Get your materials out. Materials?
Huh?
Oh, but I don't have any.
Oh.
Don't worry, Judy. We'll fix everything right now. I'll need a piece of rainbow glitter foam sheet. Place the backpack pattern on it. Trace it. And cut out 2 pieces. Glue a strip between them to make the base volumetric.
Wow!
Cut a large semicircular opening at the top. Glue on some pom-pom trim. Add straps to the back. And cut a small opening in the front. Attach a unicorn and some 3D stickers. What a beautiful backpack! Put pencils, paints, a ruler, and some fluffy fabric inside and give it to Judy. Yay! I have a backpack with supplies too! Alright, I'm ready for class! Now let's make the craft shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll do great. Whoa,
Wow.
cool! I love crafts. Let's see. Cut here. A bit more. And how about this? I get it. Glue the head on. Look at the kitty I made.
Yay!
Oh, how cute. You did a great job, Judy. You've earned a gold star. My congratulations. Awesome, thanks. Well, I'm off to my next class. Go ahead. See you later. I wonder what class I have next. Oh,
Yay!
art. I need some paints. Coming right up. Take a small piece of cardboard. Draw a palette on it. Cut it out with a utility knife and squeeze out some acrylic paints. Now let's make a brush. Cut a few bristles off a large brush. Take a piece of foil, glue the bristles to the foil, and wrap it around a toothpick. Snip off the sharp end and voila!
Wow.
Snake, here are your paints.
Thank you!
I completely forgot about the easel. Don't worry, we'll make it right now. We'll need 3 sushi sticks. Cut 2 in the middle, apply hot glue to the top edges, and join them at an angle. Add an uncut stick, take 2 popsicle sticks. And for the second one, bite off a piece, smooth the edges, and add it as a top shelf. Cut a large piece of cardboard and place it on the easel. You can color the legs and the stand a bit to make the easel look more fun. Your easel is ready, Snake. Wow! Now I have something to paint on. Let's get started. I'll paint a big, big rainbow and a big house under it, like this. I'll also draw the sun and trees. I can even draw a star and a heart and emojis. I'm doing so well. What else can I paint on? Let me help you. Did she paint on your canvas too? Yep. Look, she's painted all over the walls. Snake, stop! You can't paint on the walls. Let's wipe it off quickly. Oh, I got so carried away I didn't even notice I went off the canvas. I hope the paint comes off.
Hello, class. What are you all doing here? Who painted this?
It was me. I'm so sorry.
at all. These drawings are magnificent.
Wow.
I have an invitation for a competition for you. Do you want to go?
Of course I do! Awesome!
I need to find my locker. But they're all ordinary, and mine should be fluffy. Let's see what's in this one. Look, I found yellow foam sheet.
Great! That'll come in handy. Cut a few long strips and assemble the locker frame. And line the inside with yellow fabric. Add a fluffy shelf. Cover the doors with the same fabric.
I brought some pink fur, too.
Fantastic! Let's cover your locker with fur on the outside. Brush the fur a bit. Add some fabric strips. And a handle made of chenille wire. Gazelle's fluffy locker is ready.
Oh, it's so stunning, so soft and fluffy. Now I can organize my things. And I have quite a lot. I'll hang a Gazelle sign on the door and decorate the inside with stickers and posters. I love it.
Wow.
I'll put my backpack and microphone in here.
Hi, are you Gazelle?
Yes, why?
Can we have a look at your locker? Wow, it's so fluffy. Let's see what's inside. Is that a microphone? Wow, are you a singer?
Yes,
Sing for us. Sing something.
I don't even know.
Please. Here, take the microphone.
I'm the jungle queen, reina de la selva. Baile, baile, baile.
Gazelle, you're wonderful.
Oh, thank you.
Can you give us an autograph?
Of course.
Girls, hurry!
What happened?
Our cheerleading performance is starting soon. Are you ready?
We don't have pom-poms.
We'll make them. We'll need knitting yarn in different colors and an ordinary fork. Wind the yarn around the fork, tie it in the middle, and snip the sides. Trim the ends with scissors. Snip a piece off a stick, glue it to the pom-pom as a handle, and secure it. Our pom-poms are ready. Here you go, girls. Yay!
Lit.
Thanks.
Heart like a drum, it's a battle call.
Yeah.
We did it! We're a dream team! Bravo! Well done!
It's time for the awards. And the winner is Snake's team.
Are you tuned in? Ready? Let's go. Tell us, please, how did you like the performance?
Magnificent.
Brilliant! Incredible! Congratulations to the winners. See you later.
Yay, we did it. Woohoo!
Woohoo! All right, besties, pick a key. Wow! Let it be blue. Let me try to open it. Yay, it worked! Whee! Oh, now it's my turn. Come on, why isn't it working? Here's why. Oh. Right, don't forget to like this video. Let me try again. It's open! Wow, total slay.
Woohoo!
Lift me up, please, please.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, this is gonna be my room.
Look, she's already settling in.
Wow, it's so cute. Everything is so pink. These soft walls. Aww. Let's put a rug down for you too. Plus 100 to the vibe. Whoa, and it's so soft. And we can make a garland out of pom-poms. Stunning! I'll help you. Stringing pom-poms onto a thread. Bright, fluffy cuteness. Let's hang it from the ceiling. Total slay. I thought of something else. Let's spell out your name in pom-poms on cardboard. And cut off the excess paper. Wow, it looks great on the wall. Adding a fluffy carrot bed and a mirror in the same style.
Oh my god.
Just look at this trash. I seriously need to hang my stuff, but I literally have 0 closets or rails. What do I do? Don't worry, it's coming right up. And here's the material for the rail. Yay! I'm finally gonna be organized. We'll build the rail using popsicle sticks. Add a skewer and trim it to size. Wrap the stands in fluffy chenille wire. It's a spring grass color too. Wind the top bar with orange wire so it'll be carrot colored. We'll add some fluffy carrots on the sides. Whoa, this rail is literally a fire. I can finally hang up my outfits. Now your room looks totally perfect. Totally. Let's start the fitting. What's happening? Don't worry, we're about to find out. Wait, hold on. We need to get your room ready first. Right, will you help me? Sure thing. Let's draw some lightning bolts on the wall with hot glue. It'll look absolutely stylish. Totally my vibe. Can I help? Here's a brush. Let the hot glue dry. Then coat the lightning bolts with white glue. While the glue is still wet, sprinkle everything with purple glitter. Sweep away the extra glitter with a brush, and we've got 3D shiny lightning bolts. Whoa, it's lit! What's going on the floor? I have a different idea for the floor. Add strips of double-sided tape. Don't forget to peel off the backing. Then stick on a checkerboard print. Carefully trim it to size. Wow! That's not all. Let's glue a large chain along the edge. We'll also hang a chain from the ceiling and decorate it with big stars. OMG! A real starry sky! Whee! Wow, your room is cool. Everything is so shiny. Oh, your guitars are all over the place. Let's hang them up. Let's do it. Yeah! Where are we supposed to sit? I've prepared some bean bags. Nice, so comfy. Woohoo! Here you go, mini roomie.
Dance, dance, dance. That's all I wanna do.
Amazing! I wonder how Judy and Nick are doing. I'll brush the fur a little, and we'll lay a fluffy, soft pink rug on the floor. Nick, don't you want to help, Judy?
Whoops. Of course. Judy, let me do that. Like this. I'm so good at this. But something is still missing.
We need a sofa. Exactly. I have a great idea. For this craft, we'll need fluffy slippers. Cut off the top part and glue the sides inward. Arrange the slippers in the shape of a sofa. We still have the top part left. Stuff it with filler and sew it up. And here are the sofa cushions. You can never have too many pom-poms. Decorate the cushions and the bottom of the sofa with them. And make some decorative flower pillows. Wow, what a vibe! Total slay.
Whoa, cool. Time to lounge.
Why are you lying around? We need to drag the sofa into the room.
All right.
Nick, you're so strong.
Yeah, I am.
Thanks for the help. Let's put the sofa inside.
Phew, finally I can chill.
We'll add a shelving unit in the corner with various supplies. So many treats. And here's the table. Now our room is ready. Time to relax. Shoo. Are you guys bored? I declare a pillow fight.
Challenge accepted. Get ready for this.
Take that and that.
Boop.
Huh? Break time.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, I'm already tired. Hey, do you hear that?
Just run the world on this little track. We'll conquer the world with a smile, not a crown. Turn the volume.
Hey guys, we actually need to get the renovation done.
Hey!
You're so creative. Maybe you could come up with something yourself?
Okay. What should I do? Oh, look, a shooting star. Wow, right into my hands. But it's a bit too small. Lalacadabra, much better. I'll make a stage out of it and cut along the outline. The cardboard will reinforce the foam sheet and make the stage sturdy. To add some volume, we'll glue corrugated cardboard to the sides. Not quite the right vibe. Let's cover the cardboard with rhinestone tape. There we go. Now it matches Roomie's sparkly style. More stars. Let's glue some gold stars behind the stage, set up the microphones, and we can call Roomie and Genu.
That is fire.
Wow!
This stage is absolutely lit. I want to rehearse right now.
Hey, why is there no sound?
Huh? What's up with the sound?
Don't worry, we'll fix it. We need a speaker. Cut out the printed golden speaker template and fold along the lines. Let's make 2 more and attach our speakers to the ceiling. Let's hang a disco ball too. Love that idea. It's gonna be so vibey. Genu, look, we have a real studio.
Wow!
Gonna dance all night long. Move until the break of dawn. Spinning round.
Hey, why did you start without me? I want in. Here's a microphone. Wow, that slaps. Let's sing together.
Round and round we go. Let the
This is my favorite song. Woohoo! What's your favorite song? Let us know in the comments. Phew, I'm so tired. I want to go to sleep.
Then let's get ready for bed.
Good night.
Oh wait, you have to brush your teeth first.
Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Fluffy pink fabric. I love it. Trim the excess and move on to the inside. Ooh, a Pokeball. That's exactly what I need. Open it up and trace it on the foam sheet. Put the Pokeball cap into the hole. Apply hot glue to the edges of the box and attach our piece. Just needs a little trimming. Cover it with pink fabric and cut a hole over the sink. Decorate the wash basin with chenille wire and use sushi sticks for legs. Craft a faucet.
Yes, that's it.
Add a mirror and make a pom-pom backlight. This fluffy wash basin is a perfect match for Mini Judy's room. Let's add some toiletries. All set. Sweetie, you can wash up now.
I can't. I'm too tired.
I'll help you. Let's brush your teeth. Wash up. Here's your towel. Let me brush your hair. There. Now you can go to bed.
Read me a story.
Of course.
Once upon a time, in a far, far away kingdom.
Aw, what a cutie.
I want to sleep too, but I don't have a bed.
The little one is totally exhausted. We'll whip up a bed for her in no time. Cut some disposable containers and stack them together. Put some slime inside. Fill it all the way to the top. Sprinkle some glitter and give it a good mix. Whoa, look at that stretch. So satisfying. Cover it with plastic wrap and secure the edges. Wrap the box in pink sequin fabric. Add 4 posts at the corners. Decorate with chains. Throw on some pillows and voila! A shiny bed for Mini Roomie is ready. We also need a nightstand. We'll make it out of a custom noodle cup. Shorten the cup. Decorate it with rhinestones and cover the top and sides with gold foam sheet. Perfect! Mini Roomie, wake up!
What is it?
Get into your bed.
Okay. Oh, it's so comfy. Is this a slime mattress? It's so soft.
Oh my!
Yay, it's bouncy like a trampoline. Fun!
Woohoo! Yeah!
I'm kinda hungry.
I can offer you a choice of noodles.
I love noodles. I'll take my own branded ones. So yummy. Now I can sleep.
Good night, sweetie. Here's your favorite derpy. It'll make you feel cozier. The K-pop Demon Hunter's family house shines brighter than the stars. On the second floor, we've got Mini Roomie's room. Guitars and lightning bolts, a personalized nightstand, and beanbags everywhere. And the first floor, it's a studio for our star couple, Roomie and Ginu. Speakers and disco balls, golden stage stars, and mic stands everywhere. Then there's Zootopia, bringing the brightest and coziest vibes. On the second floor, we have Judy's soft room, a fluffy sink in Barbie pink, a bright green rail, and a carrot blanket. And the first floor, that's all about Fox and Judy. Which house did you like more? Tell us in the comments. Bye-bye!